I show you how to enable Cortana in Windows Phone. First step is go to settings, then go to speech, then download speech language English UK from here. After download speech setting, then go to language, add language English UK. Like this. Then after restarting your phone, go to this option. Go to this option. This is Cortana's notebook, quiet hours. This is all quiet hours features, and this is setting. Here you can change your name. That's it. Thank you.